Is it possible to earn a decent income by dedicating just a few hours a day? Thousands of people ask themselves this question. It might seem impossible, but let's find out. I was in your position once. A few years ago, my family struggled to cover all expenses. Every time I saw people driving luxury cars, I asked myself, why can't they do it? And I can't. Sounds familiar? Everything changes when you understand how the financial system works. In this video, I will break down the exact steps that help people increase their income. You will learn about my favorite system with no complicated terms or boring charts, just a clear, practical strategy that you can apply immediately. My name is Nathan Sharp, and I'm a professional trader with 8 years of experience. My analytical reports are published in leading financial media, and I consult investment funds and major corporations like Goldman Sachs and BlackRock on capital management strategies. This isn't just talk, it is the essence of my 8 years of experience. Today, I will share the system I've refined over the years. It is simple enough for beginners and for those who have never tried trading before. Watch this video till the end, and you will learn exactly what steps to take to start trading by copying ready-made trades in real time. Wanna know more? Keep watching. Let's go. The first step is where most people either stop or start their journey. It's up to you to decide which path you will take. Your first step, join my trading community. We are more than 21,000 traders, and many of us started exactly where you are now, unsure, hesitant, delaying their decision. But at some point, they decided to try, and here's what happened. Just in the past month, our new members have made incredible progress. How does it work? It is as simple as possible. I host live trading sessions, breaking down trades, explaining every move, and show my strategy in real time. Your task: watch, learn, and apply what you see. No complicated theories, no unnecessary complexities, just clear steps and simple principles that make sense even to complete beginners. But there is one important detail. I personally guide every member, and my time is limited. Because of this, enrollment can close at any moment. While you are thinking about it, others have already taken actions and start transforming their lives. The choice is yours. Pause this video, click the link in the description or pinned comment, sign up and come back. Let's continue. So here's our plan for today. We're starting with 20 and seeing where we end up. First, we select the most relevant currency pairs for today. Now I'll add the moving average indicator to the main settings and adjust it. While setting it up, let me quickly explain how it works. The moving average indicator, also known as a simple moving average, helps identify the trend direction. Today we're using two lines: blue line, period 10, a fast moving average that reacts to minor changes in the chart, and white line, period 25, a slowing moving average that helps define the overall trend. If the blue line crosses the white line, it signals a trend change. When the blue line crosses the white line from the top to bottom, the market is starting to decline. When the blue line crosses the white line from bottom to top, the market is expected to rise. Now that everything is set, let's get started. I'm starting with the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. We have an interesting situation here. Initially, the market was moving up, but then the trend weakened and a decline began. Now, let's check the moving average indicator. The blue line has crossed the white line from top to bottom. This is the first sign of a trend reversal. After that, the price reached the support level but failed to break through, leading to a sideways movement. This is called a narrow range, where the price fluctuates between two levels without clear direction. The blue line is clearly pointing downward, which is a strong signal for us. We confidently enter a downward trade from the upper boundary of a range. Great start. Let's keep going. Now, let's move on to this pair and make some adjustments. Here, we have a different situation. Initially, there was a downtrend, but then it reversed. The blue line crossed the white line from bottom to top, signaling a potential upward movement. After that, the price entered a sideways range, and the indicator lines became slightly entangled. However, the key observation here is that candles are pressing against the upper boundary. This indicates that buying pressure is increasing. If the upward movement continues, there is a high probability of a breakout and the start of a new trend. We will enter a buy trade as the price approaches the upper boundary of the range with strong bullish candles, confirming the momentum shift. We got it right again. Let's keep going. Next pair, next setup. Here we have a strong uptrend. All indicator values point upwards, confirming that the overall price movement is bullish. However, even in strong trends, correction happens. These are temporary pullbacks before the trend resumes. Right now, the correction is coming at the end, making this the perfect moment to enter a buy trade, expecting the uptrend to continue. That's right. The main thing is to understand whether it is just a correction or it is a real trend reversal. That's exactly why we need our indicators. Next up is the Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. Looking at the chart, I see a trend break. The price has returned to the white moving average to test it as resistance. This is a typical market behavior. After breaking a level, the price often comes back to retest it to confirm the breakout. So now it makes sense to go for a sell, expecting a rebound from the white moving average. Everything is on point. We keep up the pace and move forward. Have you already felt the first signs of success? This is just the beginning. Even more knowledge, practice, and new opportunities are waiting for you in my trading community. Are you still not with us? While you are hesitating, others are already taking steps forward, learning new skills and applying them in practice. What will you find in the community? Live online sessions where I analyze trades in real time. I explain every step in simple terms, so even if you are a beginner, you will quickly understand how it works. A step-by-step action plan. You will follow a structured system that will help you to understand key processes and confidently apply your knowledge. My personal support. I will guide you at every stage, answer your questions, and help you move forward. I once started from zero, with no experience or knowledge, but thanks to a systematic approach and mentorship, I mastered trading. Now this path is open to you as well. Pay attention. Access to the community is still free, but the number of spots are limited. If you want to learn more, click the link in the description or pinned comment and sign up and come back. The most important part is yet to come. Ready to move forward? Then let's continue. Returning to this pair, 264. As expected, the price broke the level upward and strong movement began. The moving averages are now clearly pointing up. The indicator has fully reversed, so I'm entering a buy trade from the blue line to follow the trend continuation. That's it. No magic, just pure facts and market logic. Let's go back to this pair. Remember to update the value each time. Here we see another correction, but there is no full trend reversal. The price dipped slightly but didn't consolidate below the indicators. After moving back above the moving averages, we follow the trend upward. Excellent! The strategy is working. We're already at 971 and we're just getting started. Now let's check the Australian dollar and Swiss franc. All indicator readings are clearly pointing downward. The price is below them and there is strong downward momentum. I'm not waiting for pullbacks here, just joining the downward movement. We're doing great, already at 1,864 and still going strong. Back to the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. The trend is upward, the level has been broken and the price has returned for a retest. The moving averages confirms the uptrend. Perfect setup. Entering a buy position. Once again, everything is spot on. Let's take a couple more trades and then wrap it up. Returning to the Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. After our previous trade on this pair, a strong decline began. The price is moving downward without correction, and the moving averages confirm the downtrend, joining the movement down. And now we're at 5,730. Hopefully, you remember where we started. Alright, let's move on to the final pairs for today. I want to finish with this pair. Here we have the maximum value again. As expected, the upward movement continues. The price has consolidated above the indicator, entering a buy position right now. Final move, and our result is excellent, 5,760. Remember, the key is to analyze the situation carefully, stay patient, and follow a clear algorithm. How do you feel about the results? Are you starting to see new possibilities opening up? Your chance to change everything is real. This is not just talk. It is an opportunity you can create for yourself if you take the right step. You've just seen how my system works like a clockwork. But what matters most is the decision you are about to make. You're standing at the turning point. Stay in the shadows or step into the light and take control of your future. Imagine your life as a field. You need to plant the seeds of success. You can keep working alone, which is difficult and uncertain, or you can plant those seeds in soil that is already prepared for growth. In my trading community, you will receive more than just advice. You will get a complete set of tools to build your financial success. I'll be there to guide you, showing you exactly how to grow and cultivate your financial future. Step by step, we will build your success together. Click the link in the description or pinned comment. Join my community and let's get started. I'll be waiting inside to show you what to do next.